Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a hitch on your Aaron's or Gravely zero-turn mower. If you see here, there are already holes in the back of the mower to accept a hitch. You just have to buy the correct hitch kit. So I got online, looked on Lowe's, and got a hitch kit that's Aaron's brand, because that's what they carry, and ordered it. It was shipped directly to my house from the manufacturer, Aaron's. So let's get that out and see what we got. Okay, you can see here, it came directly from Aaron's, and it's the Apex Zenith hitch kit. The description from Lowe's said that it came with mounting hardware. It did not, so I've complained about that, but I ended up going to Lowe's and buying some hardware myself. The hitch kit was $49.99, something like that, and then I spent another 11 or 12 bucks in hardware myself. So I'll show you what came in the kit, and then I'll show you the hardware that I got. Okay, in the hitch kit, I got the main part of the hitch here with the hole in it for the pin, for those pin style pull behinds, like a spreader or a dump trailer or a roller or something like that, whatever you want to pull with this thing that uses a pin to connect the implement to the hitch. And then it also came with a backing plate, which goes back behind. It did not come with hardware, but I got 4 of these 1/2 inch by 2 inch bolts with a nut and a lock washer for each one. Seems to work just fine, so that's what I'm using. I'll show you how we put it on the mower here in just a second. Okay, to put this hitch on, it's much easier to do if the mower is cooled down, if the engine is cool. I learned that the hard way. I might have one burn on my hand because you're putting it in right there by the exhaust system for the engine. So what I did was I took this engine guard off. You just unscrew these guys here on each side. And then you really just need to give it a good tug and pull up on it. You can see right there. That's why you got to give it a good tug. Those ball joints help keep it on there. Okay, so now that gives you really easy access to the back of the mower and to where you're going to need to get into put these brackets. So I'll show you that in just a minute. Okay, so the way this works is you want to get the rear bracket on in the back, and we need to do that, just get a couple bolts through. You want to get these things lined up front and back. So again, make sure that's cool. And what I like to do, put a couple bolts through here. Let those kind of hang out, and then line everything up. If you can hold both of them at the same time, which I'm holding on to the back bracket from underneath, you can try and line things up like that. Oopsies. Obviously easier to do if you got 2 people. Oops. Look back here. think I've got that. I just need to get that through on this side too. Okay. As long as you hold on to this back bracket, you can kind of see down in there what I'm looking at. I'm gonna throw a nut on there. If this muffler were hot, I would be burning my hand right now. So I got one nut on part way. I'll go ahead and get the nut over here, and then I can put my other bolts in. Let's see here. I'm just going to get them hands tight, and then we'll zip them on. Okay. Let's get a wrench on. And then that'll do that one. There you have it. Then you just got to put the engine cover back on and you're done. I've got a lawn roller here that's got some, it's a poly roller with water in it, so it weighs, I don't know, 200 pounds maybe. And that's, I used that when I planted some grass seed to kind of just roll that over and make sure the seed got in to the dirt. So as you can see here, this one just gets held on with a pin. Should be able to get it out by hand. Would have been better if I would have lined this up a little bit better. Just put the pin through there. Put the clip back in. And that's hooked up. Well, there you have it. Hitch is installed. It was pretty easy to do. I mean, most people could do this in like 5 or 10 minutes. I would just make sure that you go to an actual dealer or something to get the kit for this, and make sure that they include all of the appropriate hardware and everything. It was just kind of a hassle for me. I ended up spending more money, but in the end, I think I spent, you know, $62 or something like that for this hitch. Worth every penny for me. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe, that's even better. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.